Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of HP laptop. It's EliteBook series from HP. It's called HP EliteBook X360 1030 G3. Let's find out what's inside. Okay. There we go. I have to be careful. Yeah. There. Okay, the first thing has come out. What's this? This is called installation guideline. Okay, I keep it here by the side. Okay, then what's next? Then I have a small piece here. Okay, this is the charger. Okay, I'm coming back to this afterwards. This is the cable, power cable. And what's next? This is instructions. Put it here. Okay, let's bring it. Let's take it out. Wow. Wow. So it's something left. What is this? This is the 3-year limited battery warranty. So this is the warranty guide. I keep it here. So now this is an empty box. I just throw it away. So some nice padding. Taking out. Taking this one out as well. Nicely wrapped in poly. And then some stickers. Yeah. Okay, first impression, it's not that light what I was expected, kind of, but the form is pretty nice. It looks nice. Build quality is quite nice, as I can see. There is EliteBook branding here. It's called EliteBook, and HP branding on top as usual. Then what's in the back? Yeah, nothing much. Some information about the manufacturer. Okay, it has speakers here. One here, and maybe this is the cooling fan, I suppose. I have to see. Okay, wow, the screen looks gorgeous. Here, have a look. It's an absolute brilliant screen. Little small branding on the bottom. It's called HP. Okay, it has a premium sound from Bang & Olufsen here. Nice balanced speakers on both sides. So I have to check out the sounds afterwards. First I have to set it up. Keyboard is nice. Nice feedback. Nice treble. And the trackpad is also nice. It is quite similar to the MacBook Pro trackpad, I would say. It looks nice. Okay, this is the standard power cable for European market. And here this goes to the port, the socket to the wall socket, and it has USB-C. I hope it's pretty straightforward, like this. Okay, I had to get the power cable plugged in to turn it on for the first time. So I have it now. Now I press the power button here. Yes. Quickly. It has Intel Core i5 8th gen processor. It has a normal speed 1.7 gigahertz, and maximum with the boost it has 3.6 gigahertz of speed. Cache 6 megabyte. Then it has the RAM DDR3 8 gigs. Then it has only one slot for the RAM, so it's not possible to get additional RAM afterwards. This particular laptop has 256 gig capacity hard disk capacity. Hard disk is SSD type, and no additional or dedicated graphics card, so it's a shared graphics card. And I already mentioned about the sound. It has a Bang & Olufsen sound system here built in. I hope it will be quite nice. I have to check it out. The display is Full HD 1080p. It has touch screen, so it has touch screen. It's possible to input by touch screen as well on this laptop. And it has a web camera, and web camera is interestingly very good. It has a Full HD web camera, 2 megapixel in front. This laptop is particularly made for businessmen, so this is there are some certain features which is very suitable for business people. Wi-Fi standard 5th generation Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and interestingly it has a built-in 4G, so it's possible to insert a SIM card, so that will give 4G internet without any Wi-Fi or internet connection. So this is pretty nice. And it has 3.5mm audio jack, mini jack. So yeah, that's nice to have this. And what else? It has a Windows 10 Pro 64-bit operating system. Very interesting thing about this laptop is the battery time. It has amazing battery time, 18 hours. Okay, so initial setting up the laptop. Continue in the selected language. Of course, it's English. Where are more options? So English, UK, yes. Okay, keyboard. It is a backlit keyboard, nice light, but yeah, nice lighting, and it is a nice feature. This one, it will darken the screen, so no one will see what's going on your screen from the side when you are traveling in the plane. So I have to check the sound. It is a special sound, so I have to check how it sounds. Let's check the sound. Let's okay. Forward. Wow. I have to say this is a nice sound. This is a nice sound. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.